All right, Ivan, can you see my screen? Hello, Ivan.
Yes. See.
Okay. All right. So, Ivan, before we ended, we have here the word or making suggestions. When we try to make suggestions, we use the word what, how, let's, and shall. If you use the word what, you should say what about plus the verb in ing form. If you say how about plus the verb ing form. Next, if we use the word let plus the verb infinitive, or shall we plus the verb infinitive. Ivan, could you give me two examples of questions with giving suggestions?
Um, shall we bring a tent to for a long day trip?
Good.
And um let's be thinking. Uh, let's play the basketball after the lesson.
Okay, now here, that's correct. So as I've heard it, or as I have listened to your answer, you use let and shall we. Very good, Ivan, because you were able to use the verb in infinitive form. Okay? But how about if you say what and how about, always make sure to write the verb with ing. Okay?
How about playing basketball after the lesson?
Let's, how about, yeah, that's correct. How about playing? Oh, verb, playing with ing. How about what about?
Uh, what about uh, what about bring some food
How about
for
what about again?
what
Ing.
about what about bringing
Correct.
what
Okay,
about
that's correct. What about bringing some food into our picnic? Okay, that's correct. Bring is a verb in an ing form. Bringing. Okay, I think you know this one already. Very easy words. Okay, now here we have question 6. Look at here, Ivan. Your English friend, Emma, has sent you some birthday money for you to buy a music CD. You're going to write an email to Emma. Now here, Ivan, you can see here in your email, you should thank here, you should thank Emma for the present. Next, say which music CD are you going to buy and explain why you have chosen this CD. So this one, Ivan, what kind of letter is this? This is an informal letter. If we say informal letter, these are letters that we send to our friend. Now here, this is the scene. If your friend Emma is giving you money to buy your CD, your task, Ivan, is to write a friendly letter or an informal letter to your friend thanking about your thanking about the money that she sent to you. So first thing you do, say thank you first for the presents. That next is say which music CD are you going to buy, and third one, in the third part of your letter is you're going to explain why you have chosen this CD. Do you understand what to do? Make a letter.
yeah.
Okay, Ivan, please write your answer on the space given. Oh, here you can use the top or bottom. Just use black or any other colors so it can be
Yeah.
seen. Okay, go.
Why why don't why don't
Yeah.
them send the presents? instead of saying the money.
Yeah, yeah. No, why it's present? No, not present. This is about money. Because you're going to buy the, you're gonna use the money to buy the present. Okay? Oh.
1 minute. I'm turning to English.
If you have hard time in writing on the screen, Haven, you can use the chat box. Okay, go.
I'm done. Sorry because my is
Okay, that's okay. All right. Please read.
Hi Emma, thanks a lot for the presents. I'm really delighted that you remembered I love music, Emma. I was confused between Chilby City and Northern City, but I think oh the word thing. Sorry, the word thing.
It's
But I
okay.
think I will choose Chilby's one because her new album is really fascinating. You must try to listen to that new album. I really hope that next birthday you can back to Vietnam and go to Bali with me. If I have some free time, I think I will travel to Paris to meet you, Emma. See you.
Okay. Now look at here. So here in this kind of um letter, it is a thank you letter for your friend. So as I've said, it is an informal letter. So here as we read, hi Emma, thanks a lot for your present. Very good. I'm really delighted that you remembered I love music, Emma. I was confused between Chewy's CD or Nothing's CD, but I think I will choose Chewy's one because her new album is really fascinate. The spelling of fascinate, Ivan, it lacks letter C. Careful. You must try to listen to that new album. I'm really hope. Is it I'm really hope? I am hoping. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that next birthday you can back. You can come back. You can look at the there, Ivan. You said you can back. It's not you can back, it's you can come back to Vietnam and go to buy it with me. I have some free time. I think I travel to Paris. I think I will travel to Paris to meet you, Emma. See you. Careful with that, Ivan. Present, future, or past tense. Okay, I think I will travel to Paris to meet you, Emma. See you. Okay,
I
Ivan?
thought it's the broken. So
Okay, all right. So as you can see, this one is a friendly letter. It's an informal letter. And your message here is so clear that you're thanking Emma of the present that she has given to you. And very good, Ivan. Just be careful with the little grammar and spelling, okay?
yeah.
All right. So I think we will end our class there because it's already time. So Ivan, congratulations for a job well done today. You got perfect in the reading and writing activity. Very good. So Ivan, keep up the good work. All right. Thank you for coming up to our class today. And see you next time, Ivan. Goodbye.
See you next time.
Bye bye, Ivan.